Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we're going to unbox and show you how to install the DU-HA Underseat Storage Unit. The DU-HA Underseat Storage Unit allows you to conveniently store your gear in the cab of your truck underneath the rear seat. It's your make, model specific, and made in the USA. Let's check it out. This DU-HA Underseat Storage Unit is specifically made for the 2014 through 2019 Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra Double Cab. So inside the box you'll find the DU-HA unit, a couple of nifty dividers that also double as a gun rack, and your instructions. First step in installing the DU-HA Underseat Storage Unit is to lift your back seat up, like so. Alright, step 2 is to remove the jack by unscrewing the wing nut right here. You want to unscrew the wing nut like so. So once you get that removed, set this to the side, and you're going to use that to secure your DU-HA unit later. Step 3 is to position your DU-HA unit under the back seat where the threaded stud comes out through the hole. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the jack from the mount, set it in place like so, and then I'm going to hook this back behind the DU-HA and then set this in place. Go ahead and screw it down. And that is secure. Step 5 is to install your divider / gun rack into the slotted holes of the DU-HA unit, being sure that the wider part goes towards the front of the vehicle. That's it. The last step of the installation is to close your back seat, make sure it locks into place, and your DU-HA is installed. We've all tried to store our gear in the console or the back seat pockets of our truck, and there never seems to be enough room. Or we throw it in the back and it ends up rolling around and getting stepped on. With the DU-HA Underseat Storage Unit, you can conveniently store your gear under the back seat of your truck, giving you ample storage room without taking up valuable leg space. These units fill the dead space under your back seat and will keep your gear out of sight and out of mind. DU-HA's Underseat Storage Units are roto-molded and made out of heavy-duty polyethylene. These units come available in multiple colors to match your pickup. Here we have jet black. They also come available in gray, tan, and brown, depending on your vehicle, make, and model. These units come with convenient dividers to break up the space for smaller items, and it doubles as a firearm rack, and it's padded so it won't scratch your firearm. Today we got this unit loaded down with fishing gear, so let's get it out and see what we can catch. Thanks for joining us today as we installed and spotlighted DU-HA's Underseat Storage Unit. Although we didn't catch anything today, you caught a glimpse of what you can do to help organize your truck a little better. Go ahead and smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, and remember to tune in every Friday for stress tests, installations, and spotlights like this. The first step in installing your with the DU-HA Underseat Storage Unit. I couldn't find the strap. The DU-HA Storage Unit will allow you to conveniently store your gear. We've all tried to store our beer. It's tough being a star. So step 2 in the process of installing this is to remove the wing nut from this and take your jack off.